it. He did it.
Come on, everybody. Yay! Congratulations, you won. Well, friends, we'd also like to tell.
Congratulations to the team for the game launch.
I absolutely understand what you're saying, and I agree with that. And it is important that you play your outdoor games because that's where the real thing lies, and that's where your physique is made of. But I would also say at the same time, it is sometimes, like sitting in a car, you're just relaxing, you're doing nothing. Like I also play. I love playing outdoor games, but I also play on my iPad. So I need to relax sometimes. Sometimes, while playing a game, you're concentrating there, but your mind is also working somewhere else. You can keep on thinking also. So it's kind of a way of, removing your stress. So that is why I play. And the way the technology is going, very soon we'll be having games where, like, if there's the effect of water, there'll be some water thrown on our faces, or there's something or the other, because we would never even imagine that this kind of game we can play it on a small little pad. So things are going to be changing, and get ready for it. And thanks to people like Hungama, they keep on bringing new stuff. I remember looking at what they had made in Krish, and now what they're making now. Things have changed a lot, and I wish them a lot of luck that they can improve more and more because of the technology.
Siddharth sir, are you a gamer? Are you a game freak?
Yes, at home I have both the Wii and the PS3, though now I get lesser and lesser time to play, but I'm a big FIFA fan. I get to play that. But as Sir said, even I prefer playing outdoor games. I think that's nothing can substitute that. But again, it's just so much fun. With a group of friends, when you're socializing at home, I think when you can't go outside and play, we compete, we make bets, we lose bets, we fight over these games, and it's thoroughly entertaining.
And by the way, I must tell you, I love those dancing games also. I love to dance, those. You have to keep on dancing. And it's there very much at my house, so me and my son.
The Wii boxing, so you try the Wii boxing?
I don't know, I'm just addicted to, not to boxing, I'm addicted to more of dancing game. So, because I know I can't dance, so I prefer doing that.
Yeah, hi Siddharth. Coming back to you, how does it feel that you see yourself in the role of the game?
I know that's such a fanboy kind of moment. I've been playing these games all this while. I remember when initially hum log desktop pe khelte the. I've come from that time, and now we have portable, PlayStations and Wii. And now to do it, to be an actor and have a game and have a character under your name is a big fanboy moment. I just text couple of my guy friends behind and said, "Bro, please try this and play." That's me. So I'm pretty excited and really happy, and hopefully this should be there for many more films, and not only this.
And Akshay, yeah, same place. Yeah, you have a lot of knowledge of martial arts and everything. So how does that help in getting addicted, or rather, how easy it is?
If you're saying, I know a lot of martial art, and then that I will be able to win all the game, is that what you're trying to say, sir? I don't think so. That's not the point. I mean, say it is how fast you move your fingers, and when you connect to the other finger and things like that. It has nothing got to do. Like I remember, I played tennis with Mahesh Bhupati. He lost, but on a game. Yeah, so not real game. so. But if I play a game with him, I will never be able to score 1 point also with him.
Sir, Prabhat from APNS. During the course of your career, you have given some wonderful films. But till now, the blockbuster tag hasn't been associated with you, sir. जैसे कि खान जो बंधु हैं, आमिर हैं, सलमान हैं, शाहरुख हैं. तो आपको कोई competitive feeling है उनके?
Oh, okay. So I'm happy with that tag because. I think if that's what you think, then I'm capable of that only, and that's what it is.
Hi Akshay. ब्रदर्स फिल्म जो है द वॉरियर की रीमेक है, तो कितनी मिलती जुलती है और कितनी आप लोगों ने लिबर्टी ली है फिल्म में?
जी हमने करीबन 40% वॉरियर से निकाला है, बाकी 60% has been made and it's been added according to Indian sentiments and emotions.
Akshay sir, how does launching a game on the movie help in promoting the movie? How much does it help?
Well, you can see there are 150 media people sitting here, so they will be all writing about it, and I hope so because of your writing, it will promote our film, and that does help somewhere.